I designed and printed this koi fish, but there's a little problem. He was born without eyes. It's an articulating design, but it does need support on the tail and a little bit on the mouth. All the scales were individually placed, and the paint was done in Bamboo Studio. I also designed the eyes, which print on a normal piece of paper. Now we have our printed eyes, we have 8mm glass domes, crazy glue, and you also need your fish. Apply a small amount of glue to the eye sheet. Once the glue is placed, you can use your fingers or a vacuum pen and slowly place the glass on top of the glue. Make sure it's lined up. I forgot to mention, but you will also need an 8mm hole punch. Now we can add a small amount of glue to the fish. The last step is to place our eye on the fish, that way he can actually see. You can find this koi model, other fish, reptiles, snakes, and many more other animals on my Thangs profile.